Live? Going live. We're live. Hey, good morning. It is a Wednesday, and it's been a crazy week here in Philadelphia. I don't know. My screen is all messed up, so I'm going to do this real quick with the screen. Like it's humidity. I don't know if that helped any. Because it is kind of fallish out here. Anyway, who am I? What are we doing here? Well, this is the 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show. I am Greg Mester, Scrum Master and Agile Coach. It's about 6:43, so it's not 5 a.m. And it's our 455th episode. Just checking what episode we're at. And we talk about Agile Scrum in a practical and tactical way, bringing value, getting you home, not working 60, 80 hours a week, and having a little fun along the way. And it's a little late this morning because apparently the city of Philadelphia is just going through riots again. Oh, God. This is all screwed up. Anyway, it's always never a dull life in this big city, right? Anyway, I saw a really good webinar the other day on code reviews, and I just wanted to share a couple things from the webinar. I wrote a lot of notes, but I'm not going to share all that because it would take a whole show. And they did a whole 1 hour show, and we just do 15 minutes. And actually, I want to do this shorter because, hey, Andres, how are you? Was the Lurb on? I don't know. Anyway, sorry if I butchered your name, but good morning. So I want to talk about code reviews. I also want to talk a little bit about empirical data, just the things that happen here in Philadelphia. A African-American gentleman got shot by cops, and the cops all said they were unprepared. I'm like, all the empirical data says, yeah, it's going to go bad, but yet they were unprepared. It's amazing how they didn't prepare for this. It's crazy. It reminds me of a lot of companies that's like, well, I don't know why all the systems don't work because, well, it happens every year because we don't prepare for it, and then it breaks, and then we spend hours working on fixing things. I hear it all the time in business, all the time. I don't understand. This is, well, yeah, all the data says this is what's going to happen. We ignored it. Anyway, that's my little thing about Philadelphia right now. It's crazy. So code reviews. I thought that was a great idea, rewarding for code reviews. Thanks to team members, because no one wants to do code reviews, right? I mean, it's a boring thing. You got to get out of your stuff. You're not really creating something. You're reviewing someone else, but it's important to, it's like a share thing. It's like pair programming, right? If you can't get the pair programming, and the suggestion was to do rewards, and I thought that was a very agile thing to do, and a very good teammate thing. Maybe every sprint you give rewards for people for providing the best code reviews, the best feedback, and you give it to other people on the team. Give them kudos. Remember the kudo boxes that we used to do? You can do a virtual and just say, hey, that was a great code review. And, giving them rankings for the best code reviews on the team. And maybe just encourage people to get more constructive. A couple things that was mentioned. And, when you do code reviews, I'm just going into a little bit about what she said. You need to know why you're doing a code review. You need to know when. You want to know when it's complete. You want to know who's doing the code review, right? And then there were some things about where are you doing the code review, and then who gives you the feedback, who approves the code review. And they were great things. I recommended it. I'm trying to find out if they recorded it. It was in Barcelona, Spain. It was in English. It was a really good thing. A couple things that she mentioned in her show. Try to be some positivity in your comments. Don't be such a negative Nelly, which was very good. Have you considered this as a good way of saying it? It's like a very coaching question too, by the way. Have you considered this? It's a non-threatening type question rather than you suck, your code is terrible, right? So don't want to do that. We also want to have timely code reviews. She had come up with a term called the ghost code reviewer, which was someone who reviewed code like two weeks later. Mr. Edward, hey, you want to say hello, Mr. Edward? I'm going to do a short show today.
You have to go.
We have to go. Hi. Go take the kids to the bus. Yeah, it's about time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. I got to go. That's all I had today. Do a reward for code reviews. Encourage people to do code reviews. I'll post up some stuff that I saw that were really good in the thing, and I will share that with you. But it's cool when you do these meetups and connect with these people all around the world. You can get connections. Right, Ed?
Yeah.
All right, mister. Say goodbye.
Bye.
There you go. Bye. See you guys. Ring the little bell. Keeping this one short. Have a great day.
The big bell.
Oh, and the big bell. We're not going to do the big bell. We'll do that Friday. All right, take care. See y'all. Bye.